Is it considered a contact with Christianity if one seeks information about another person's feelings through a tarot reader and paying for their services? How dangerous is divination itself if it is not about the future, but only about the present situation? Does it harm the actual situation or have any impact? Can I myself change the accuracy of the reading if I want to interpret it differently, if I do not submit to Christianity, since the cards present just one of the options? Look, colleague, when a fortune teller lays out the cards, whether they are gypsy cards or tarot cards, the cards are communicating not with you, but with her. And she interprets them in the way she is used to communicating with these cards. If you were to do exactly the same spread, you might pull and lay down entirely different cards, which you would interpret as you see fit. In this case, the dialogue is between the medium and the channel. This channel is outlined in the tree of Sephiroth. It is primarily a Judeo-Christian system, yes, but there are also other organizers of this structure. Your connection to Christianity will not be apparent here, and it will not notice you if you work with tarot cards. It might notice you if you work with gypsy cards, because they operate on a lower level, those cards. Usually, if someone wants to ask about another person's feelings, they use gypsy cards or a specific tarot deck that focuses on emotions, feelings, and relationships. It might be better to choose decks specifically designed for that purpose or work with specialists with focus on relationships. These are specific locations within the egregore, specific spirits, or even certain gods. Because tarot cards can be very different, and sometimes there are even decks such as the Avalon Tarot, for example. I recently found out about runic tarot. It is truly amazing. If the medium has a connection with that deck, everything will be revealed to you exactly as it is. If you don't like it, well, it's within your power to change everything. Just change your attitude, change your behavior, or perhaps start learning. And then you will find your spiritual patron, the very spirit who will help you resolve all your issues. By the way, through mediumistic abilities, this is done much faster than by any other means, because many forces need conduits, while natural mediums are extremely rare. You might succeed, so give it a try.